Yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Frandol Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Yeah, here we talk about how to make money online, how to invest your money wisely, and a lot. Yeah. So yesterday I made a video about the reason why Neptune Network was shut down and it came back, and I said that some people were not able to access their account. So I read much about the comments, and people were making some funny comments and a lot of rubbish comments, and I'm here to answer you one by one, and also tell you much more about the update. You see, so let's go to the update. You see, I told you that the main reason why Neptune Network shut down their platform on the 10th and it came back was that they were doing reshuffle. They were clearing people who has released coins but they haven't joined the DeFi trade, and people were saying that like they have accounts that they haven't joined the DeFi trade but the account is still existing. Listen to this very wisely. If I open this thing, you see, if you have these coins, it's not money. If you have not released coins, it's not money. So that one, if you don't even join the DeFi trade, you still have your account active because you don't have anything in your account. So that one, you don't have any problem. But if you have released coins, and you haven't joined the DeFi trade, yesterday was the last day and they have locked a lot of people out. I have received a lot of messages and I choose not to reply them because I've done a lot of like updates about these things. So some people are in my DM talking rubbish like a lot, but I choose not to mind them because they lack common sense. Because if you have common sense, you will listen to what I'm saying, because I introduced the Neptune Network for you to know it. So if I'm saying something, you have to understand what I'm saying and stop talking rubbish, because me doing my videos on my YouTube channel, it's not your channel. The phone I'm using is not your phone. You didn't buy any data for me. I chose to do my updates and I'm not forcing you to also watch it. Yeah. So I'm doing the video for the wise people. If you're wise and you want to like listen to this, you can listen to it. Yeah. So I tell you that if you have the released coins, so there's a difference between NT coin and the NT release coin. You can have all this thing and still right now, if you open your account, you still have your account active because your account is even blank, like you don't have anything in your account. But let's assume you have released coins and you haven't joined a DeFi trade. That one, you will end up losing your money. I hope you get what I'm saying. If you have release coins or you have USDT trunks and you haven't joined a DeFi trade, that one, you will end up losing your money. But if you don't have release coins, you have this thing over here, and you say, okay, but still now I have my account active. Your account is not active because you don't have anything in your account. That is why your account is active. But if you were having release coins right now, your account will be inactive. If you try to log in, they will tell you wrong password, and a lot of people can testify to it. You see that thing? Yeah, and a lot of people can testify to it. So I don't just come here to do updates just like that. You see that thing? Yeah. Me, I have introduced more than 5,000 people to Neptune Network. I've referred more than 5,000 people to Neptune Network. So that thing, yeah. So if I'm saying something, you have to what? Take it serious. Yeah. So people who were saying that, oh, like I still have my account back, blah 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 blah. It's just because you don't have release coins. If you were having release coins or USDT or Trons and you never participate in different trade, right now your account is blank. You see, and people were saying that, do you still believe in Neptune Network? To me, because I have money inside, so I'll tell you that I still believe in it because I have money inside. So I'll tell you that I still believe in it. And I told you about the rebounding, how you can rebound the account. And people were saying that what's the meaning of rebound, blah 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 blah. That one too, I've already told you what you have to do. And if you think that's not important, I don't have any problem, bro. I don't have any problem. But that's the update I have to bring to you. Yeah. So right now, today's date is what? 12. So 3 days more for us to expect whether the withdrawal button will open or not. And right now, people to have what lose their account too. That's cool. Because I already told you much about it and you were like blah 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 blah. So on the 14th too, if you haven't done your rebounding, you may also face some things. On the 14th of this month, if you haven't done your rebounding, you may also face some problems when you want to withdraw your money from your account. Just take my words very serious because I know what I am saying. So take my words very serious. Yeah. So this one is Neptune Network. Their website, their official website. Yeah. And I use their front this thing to explain this thing to you. Yeah, because people don't know much about this thing. They think that this is their money. This is no money. Your money is in the released one, the 190.34. The released one is your money. So that's the money you can go to your swap to swap it or exchange to what? Exchange it. You see? Yeah. So if you have not released, let's say 500,000, that's not your money. That is not money, bro. Your money, you can see your money in the released coins. In the released coins. That is your money. You see your money in the released coins. Yeah. So you have to what? Take my updates serious. Because I know what I'm saying, bro. I know what I'm saying. And you can choose to take it serious or choose to ignore me or choose to pass funny comments. I don't scare. I don't scare because like I have people who follow me, who trust me, and who trust my updates. So I'm doing it for them. Some people will talk rubbish, but they will still come back. Today I will release this video. Today they will still come back and watch. So you and me, who is the most rubbish this thing? So like, why are you talking rubbish? Blah 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 blah. But you still come back and watch. Charlie, you are grown up. Have common sense and listen to common advice and do it. And keep your money safe. That one to be problem. Yeah. So this is the update, and I just come here to clarify some things for you to know that if you say you don't have you haven't participated in different trade but you still have your account, that means that you don't have released coins, you just have not released coins. So don't be happy because your account is already a blank account. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out.